this coming up beside you. See? Very good. He's like, oh, you bring me to this new place and stick a saddle on me. Very good. Very good. Okay. So I would say a little bit more to the out.
Yeah.
Okay, very, very good. Very good.
Just keep in mind that once you get in the saddle too, it'll flatten out a little bit too.
Yeah. Very good. Hey, boy. Very good. Good boy. You're so tall. Cool, the back's in place.
Yeah, that looks good.
Hey, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Joe?
So yeah, then when you put some weight in it, as long as it still has the lots of clearance. Yeah. You may find too once you get in it, you'll need to like then you have to get out again if it's squishing down too far. Then get out, and then you have to adjust the pad sometimes more narrow than what you think it should be. But then once you get in, it'll flatten out the saddle. Yeah.
I would go a bit more inwards actually.
Okay.
I think I opened them too much.
Yeah, no, good call.
Very good. Okay, you're right there. You can stop sucking your lips so much. Very good.
He's doing awesome.
He is. I mean, he's awesome, but he's really well in. He just, you can see his bottom lip. It's like he's sucking on a lemon. And, oh, I'm gonna be good. Very good. You're fine. Very good. Very good. Good boy. Okay, I'm going to go back up. No, my friend has a very wide, short back fjord. There we go. Like, oh, let me know about the saddles.
They're great.
She's having an impossible time finding something that fits.
No, that looks good.
No, I like how that fits.